aming parcel ni Yoyo. Tignan namin. Ano kaya? Ito. Ay, alam ko na. I got this for scrub sa head kasi napakadami kong balakubak. I have so many balakubak. So, this is it. Sana makita pa ang produkto natin. So, if you also like this, go get sa basket. Ganituhin nyo lang siya, habang naliligo kayo. Ganon. Halika dito mo dito. Ganon. I-scrub. I-scrub. Ganon. So, yan. And then, we also have another. This is, so, this is, another color ng, parang, basta, papakita ko na lang. Ang hirap i-describe. I got a navy blue because I bought a color black for this. I'm also gonna link it sa basket. It is so nice. For formal, kineme, chururut, barurut. Bigyan mo naman ako ng karapatan sa mundo. Ayan siya, oh. So nice nito talaga. And this is the front. So this is navy blue. I also got it in black. That's why I got it in navy blue. Okay. Bigyan ng karapatan. Okay, so this is the black one and then this is the navy blue. It's nice pang partner sa inyong mga blouses. Super ka-duper mega over. Mura lang niya, and then for formal, get away nyo na siya or OOTD. So, yun lang. Yun lang for today's video. Kainis.